Hi guys, so let's review this tool Google Collaboratory. It's hosted by Jupyter Notebook service, and therefore it requires you not to set it up or because it provides you free access to computing resources, has GPUs and TPUs. And before we dive into that, I just want us to understand uh, notebook-based programming environments. Where do we use notebooks? So programming environments are also called integrated development environments. So this involves IDEs or code editors or software applications that provide comprehensive tools and functionalities for software development. So for any code to exist, it has to be written on a platform. And that's a role of an IDE. So these tools typically include text editors, compilers, debuggers, and features like syntax highlighting, code completion, and version control. So the programming environment can either be installed locally on your machine or premise or be cloud-based and accessed over the internet. So, depending on your development needs, there are different types of IDs from the simplest, such as the command line interface, CLI, where you interact with the computer system by typing commands, example, a dash, PowerShells, and terminal. So, text editors, which are basic code editors with minimal features such as VM, Notebook, and Sublime Text, these are lightweight and ideal for quick edits and simple coding tasks. So, full IDs are require a very comprehensive environment with a range of tools and integration for development. So this includes advanced features like debugging, version control, and collaboration. Some examples are like Visual Studio, PyCharm, and Eclipse. And finally, notebook-based programming environment. This is huge and unique, and it's used basically in interactive environment that require code execution, text and visual output, searches, graphs, and charts. So they all exist in a single interface and they are especially popular in data science and research field. So example are like Jupyter Notebook, Microsoft Azure, and Google Colab. And that's why today we are on Google Colab. So there are so many AI integrated IDs and it's wanted to explore and we wanted to explore them for enhance individual code cells and output immediately. So these features actually enable us for quick interaction and prototyping. It also give us inline documentation where code can be combined with rich text using Markdown. So makes it so easy to explain and document for third parties, which is particularly useful for education. So notebooks also support data visualization, so displaying plots, graphs, and other visuals directly. So this is a valuable tool in data exploration. And finally, many notebooks environments support real-time collaboration in the cloud. Same with Collab. So it provide an easy sharing of work even with non-cloud-based environments like Jupyter Notebook. So notebooks have the advantage of being actually easy to use and intuitive. So they are great for visualization and actually good in image rendering. So they're also reproducible in that you can rerun the exact code and share for collaboration and have smooth integration with data science in learning library. So some of the advantages of notebooks include slow performance for large scale software development and fragment code structures, which can make long-term maintenance challenging and poor optimization for version control system like it. So basically what you're saying that there are different types of programming environments. So this can include command line interfaces such as CLI, text editors, full IDEs, and notebook based environments. Then the features of a notebook based environment, for example, in this case, our Google Colab, is to offer interactive code execution, inline documentation with Markdown, and data visualization as well as real time collaboration. So the advantage and disadvantage of a notebook in the notebook-based programming is that first of all, it's great for visualization and collaboration. But there's slow performance when you're engaging lower scale development and can be challenging if you want to use for a long-term maintenance. So notebooks in data science and machine learning have evolved based on the needs that we require. So, um, before we go any further, I just wanted you to have the feel that the evolution has involved a Python project. So this was one of the earliest that is started in 2001. Then we have come to Project Jupyter, which evolved from IPython to into 2004, and this one focused on the interactive data science and scientific computing. Then we came to Google Colab. This emerged in 2017, where we're building around Jupyter framework enabling Python programming or for tasks like machine learning and data analysis with GPU support. Then we came to enterprise cloud-based platforms. These are tools like IBM Watson Studio, Microsoft Azure Notebooks, and Amazon SageMaker that provide advanced environment for large-scale data science and machine learning projects. Remember, we said that one limitation for the notebook based programming is the limitation in terms of if you want to scale higher and if you want to advance it for large scale. Okay, so in this video, we're going to explore the Google Colab notebook interface. And the key things that you're going to do here is to navigate Google Colab. So you're going to open your web and go to Google Colab to access uh, this welcome notebook. So we can do it right away. So we have our web over here. Um, we have our web, Google Colab, and we have to appreciate that it gives us resources that we can access, uh, like artificial learning and ML resources, data sets. Uh, Yep. So we have multiple resources that we can explore. We have multiple notebooks that we can actually explore and how they important they are for us, as well as the blogs, what has been released on a daily basis. So if you don't have a Google Colab, go ahead and sign up for it. Mhm. So you can sign up for it. They have different plans that you can use. There's the pay as you go. There's the Collab Pro. There's Collab Pro Plus. So depending on the needs that you want, for example, if you want integrated, the tightly integrated with Google Colab services like BigQuery and Vertex AI. So if you want to go productive, we use generative AI powered code completion and generation. This is what you pay, what you use for. So you can pay if you want to use this or that, or you can pay for the combined thing, or you can pay for education. Yeah. So for me, we are on the free plan. So once you have that, we once you sign up, you can actually um, um, open Collab with your Google account. So once you have your Google account, before even we go to Google Collab, I want us to okay. So once you have accessed Google, you can actually open Google Collab. So when you open Google Collab, this is what you see. So you are told, welcome to Collab. Okay. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so once you open Google Colab, you can. Mhm. So So basically, today we were navigating Google Colab. So we open our web browser and went to Google Colab, collab.google.com. So you